Your dream must fit by another person. Oh,
I'm not here speaking out. Say it again.
your dream must fit by another person. Oh, a cabo, my Lagos Street smart friend. Grab your favorite bottle of Zobo and let me gist you a story that will make you choke on your chin chin. You know that fine mansion in Banana Island you have been eyeing? The one with the marble floors shinier than a bald man's head. Well, listen up. Imagine rolling to your new crib, ready to flex on the ground. You are about to pour bottles when suddenly, voila! The papers for your palace are more messed up than Lagos traffic on a Friday evening. Signatures are MIA, like downfall drivers during full scarcity, and the contract looks like it was written by a drunk parrot. But hold on.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
You never finish your. That sweet poolside where you planned to be doing your hot girl summer turns out it's not just yours. Some random people have the right to use it whenever they want. It is called an easement, and it's as annoying as those guys who keep calling about your car's extended warranty. Imagine you are trying to have a quiet Sunday and the blue normal boys go through your compound to access your equipment. Talk about ruining your chilled wipe. So, what's a smart Lagos big boy or babe to do? Number one, verify those documents, like you are checking if that designer bag from Balogun Market is authentic. I mean, you know it's not. Number two, ask about easements before you sign anything. Don't let your mansion become everybody's shortcut. Remember, in Lagos real estate, one wrong move and you could end up living in a kiosk using pure water sachets as pillows. Holler at me today and let's secure your dream home without the area boys drama. My name is Adoni and you are watching Lampoparty.ng. Kindly like, follow and subscribe to this page and I will always bring you sweet deals.